service.
The Institution of Engineers of Kenya has voiced concern over what it terms as frustrating delays in development approvals in Nairobi County. Speaking at the Nairobi County Assembly, where a session by the Planning Committee failed to proceed due to lack of quorum, IEK President Engineer Shama Kiteme pointed to persistent issues with the county's electronic development approval system. He cited frequent downtimes and suspected deliberate failures that have caused some approvals to drag on for up to a year, stalling infrastructure growth and discouraging investment in the capital.
Commitment is to work with the county assembly and all the arms of the county government to make sure that we improve services to members of Nairobi County. Of particular concern for us is the fact that approvals are taking very long. We have seen approvals taking over a year. We have seen difficulties with the developers starting to doubt our competence as professionals, and at times for giving up on the investment they wanted to do to invest in infrastructure, to invest in buildings, and etc. And therefore, for us, we want to see improvement of services. We want to see the growth that overcomes this challenge and make sure that we have a seamless process of approvals for development to take place within Nairobi. We want to be very clear, this is not politics we are playing as engineers. We are professionals. We are interested in what is going to work for citizens of Nairobi. And it really pains us when clients start thinking that we are incompetent. We are not able to get approvals in the county because process